Hey, it's Chad. I don't know how well you can hear me because there's a lot of traffic going by, but I'm back home in Southwest Virginia where I was born and raised, and I'm going to take the day and just ride through the mountains, go back through High Knob area and places where I used to run around 20 plus years ago. So stick around, should be interesting. A lot has changed, a lot's changed. So we're overlooking Powell Valley right now. This is a little overlook at the top of the mountain. We're just outside of Norton, Virginia. So stick around, let's head up on the knob later. You know, the other day I came through the Tail of the Dragon and the Smoky Mountains. These roads back here are just as good. I mean, they're just great riding. But I've not been across this mountain in over 20 years. I'll get lost. Here we go. First stop is Flag Rock. God, it's been so long. I'm already lost. Alright, there's somebody sleeping in that car. I don't like that. To wake up and steal my gear. Hope not. Okay, well, locked up my helmet. And so if this dude don't wake up and steal my stuff, I'm gonna get his license plate just in case. Oh great. Paper plate. That's not cool. I can't remember this place being kept up like this. Like it's became more popular, and I've already noticed that in a lot of places. So yeah, there's definitely changes. Sasquatch. We just found Bigfoot. Oh my lord. (2015) The wood booger. This is the wood booger. What's up, Woody? I've ran around these mountains pretty much my whole life prior to Texas, and I never did come across the wood booger. But the TV show showed up here, and they found signs of Bigfoot, which the locals, according to them, call them wood booger. And so that sort of blew up. Now you have wood booger restaurants, wood booger everything. So. Crazy. Okay, I think I got it zoomed up. But there's the flag on Flag Rock. Back in my younger years, we climbed that thing. But anyway, we're overlooking Norton, the city of Norton. And then you can see in the background on the mountains, that's what strip mining does for you. Over there some more. You know, it just destroys the mountains. But they've gotten better at it. It's not like it used to be. That mountain behind there, you drop off into Kentucky. And we'll probably go over there too sometime, some point. So let me try to unzoom this thing. All right, it's Flag Rock. There's our first stop. We'll go back here and try to sneak past Bigfoot, and then head on up the road. But it's not really good timing to be back here. The weather's great, but like the trees, all the leaves is pretty much died and fallen. We missed the changing of the colors, which is absolutely gorgeous around here. A little late for that. The next issue is it's deer season, so the woods are going to be full of hunters. And I plan on camping up here somewhere a little deeper into the mountain, but I want to just camp out just down some little road somewhere. But I'm thinking I might screw up somebody's hunt, so I might end up staying at a campground, like sort of like this one. Not my thing, but be a little bit respectful. I know back in the day, if I'd staked out and scouted and was looking for my deer all year and set up, and then some yahoo came in on a motorcycle and set up a tent and started cooking, I'd be a little bit upset too. So we'll be respectful. I love the smell of the woods, so miss it. And I don't know why, but most people come up that I've seen with a picture with this statue are smacking his butt. I'm not gonna smack his butt. All right, say bye to Wood Booger, and let's go saddle up and ride on. Later. Well, we saw Flag Rock and we found the Wood Booger. I just hope the Wood Booger's brother doesn't show up at camp tonight. Alright, here we are at the High Knob Observation Tower. I remember it burnt down years ago and they rebuilt it. Huh. Okay, I've always thought it was Chief Benji. Maybe it is B-E-N-G-E-S. Chief Benji? Benji? But growing up I always heard the stories of Chief Benji. He was an Indian, but he wasn't full-blooded. He was part white. Well, he had a band, and they would come out of the Ohio Valley down to this place and raid and kidnap women and kids, and then take them and integrate them into the tribe. But my ex-wife, on her dad's farm, there was the back side of a house had arrowheads in it from where they had battles. And then their neighbor that lives up behind them, up in the holler, they had, I think it was their daughter was taken by the Indians. And then years and years and years later, they found her. And I actually think it was up in Ohio, if I remember right. But pretty neat. Anyway, we'll walk up here, check it out. Growing up, I didn't really hang around this part of the knob. Flag Rock, the Tower, Bark Camp Lake, more of the visitor type of places. We run around the woods, camping, remote camping, four-wheeling, drinking. Sorry, Mom. But anyway, let's get up here and see what this looks like. It's been a long time. All right, we're in the tower. This is some kind of view, though. Wow. This is the Appalachians. Depending on where you're from, here it's Appalachia. Go north, it's Appalachia. So, wow. Man, I like it. Dead quiet. Here in just a little bit, we'll be going off over in that direction. I don't know if this is called home anymore. I've been gone for way too long and too much has changed. But I don't know. They say home is where you hang your hat, and then they say home is where your heart is. My home has two wheels, so it goes wherever I go. Yeah. All right.
Ain't nobody here to tell me how am I to climb this mountain. Oh, stay right beside me. Watch me climb, watch me climb, watch me. Ain't nobody here to guide me. How am I to cross this river? Oh, stay right beside me. Watch me cross, watch me cross, watch me. Just watch me climb. Don't take off your eyes.
All right, let's saddle up and move on to the next spot. It gets dark before 6 o'clock here, so I ain't got time to waste. I'm gonna make some rounds through the mountains and then find a place to camp for later tonight. And that's it. We'll see how it goes. Later.